Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily allow Instagram app access to your phone contacts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find the privacy and security. Then hit add contacts, and on that list you have to find Instagram. Here it is, and then make sure that this switcher next to Instagram turned on. If it's toggled off, just hit on that to toggle it on. While this switcher turned on, Instagram can get access to your contacts, and that may help you to find people from your contacts book on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.